Hey, Dombi, I thought to download a bit of this weekend's adventures with you. Yeah, I wanted to download this weekend's adventures with you. Firstly, going out in search of Ikea from a research perspective was also going out there to discover more that speaks to who I am becoming or who I am. I came to discover how much of our sense of belonging really can be found in isinxibo, or really can be found in everyday things that maybe one might miss. But going on this trip opened my eyes up to how clothing kwaXhosa has a way of locating us or placing us into a community. Clothing kwaXhosa has a way of framing our behaviors, has a way of giving guidance, has a way of giving structure to how everybody moves. It's actually not just about you. It's not just about these rules that are set to tell a woman how to live. It is about these. It's about more. It's about giving you an idea of who you are and what role you play in the bigger picture of things. There we go. While chatting with Jafta about Ikea, as opposed to him leading the narrative, leading me in the answers around Ikea, he did something very cool. He first speaks to me about the geography of where we are. And in that moment, he sets the tone for what this place is.
Yeah.
And then, while we're there, a woman is walking up, Mama, and he calls out to her. And then he says, Mama, please can you explain to this girl, she's doing her project, introduces me. Please explain to this girl, what is Ikea? How is it presented? Hey. And just from that moment, really, Udada set the tone for what has become an informative, a reflective, a full experiencing of Xhosa sensibilities. Ah, man, that's the best way to frame this.
Malabut, it takes us there, go and just man up.
So
Yeah.
yeah, and I mean Bullaville is showing you, and I mean it's not even Lotata is the main voice. It's like he is a map. Taking you here and there, and just that moment in my mind, I'm imagining it. It's so cinematic. You're both of you guys are at this vantage point where you can see these two peaks. Your mama out of nowhere going about her life.
As nobody said,
Something that I also appreciate about field work, as opposed to just doing it desktop work, is that you can't write that into research. You can't write that into your research plan. You can't say we're going to go to these two peaks, and then while we're at the two peaks, whoever comes by, we're going to... These things just unfold as they do, And I think it's also man,